again to another episode of Olive's Kitchen Adventures. And for our recipe for today, it's different because we're not going to use heat for this recipe. And my good friend Gerbeth is going to teach us with this recipe. Hi, Gerbeth!
Hello, hello, hello! Hi, everyone!
Hello!
Shout out!
TWL!
ML Team, TWL!
Hello!
Tsaka bro, saglit lang to. Gagawa tayong pulutan.
Okay. So perfect. Gerbeth is Micah's best friend since childhood and also my bestie's Gila's husband.
Hi!
Hi, Gila! So for today, yung husband naman niya yung magtuturo sa atin. So Gerbeth, ano ang recipe mong gagawin mo today?
Actually, itong recipe na to medyo pinag-aralan ko ng mabuti to eh.
Oh.
It has been handed down through generations.
Okay.
And it's what you call Kilawing Tuna.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Wait!
Okay, sige. What's the twist? Go.
Well, I guess a lot of people are asking what's the difference between kinilaw, kilawin, and all those stuff, right? So, munting kaalaman, galing kay
Gerbeth.
Kuya Kim.
Kuya Kim.
Ang kilawin ay normally used in the Visayas and Mindanao areas, and it pertains to eating raw or partially raw food. And kilawin is widely used in the Luzon area. That's why you have kilawing kambing, kilawing babi, and then Pampanga. And for the recipe for today is kilawing tuna, right?
Yes.
Yep. And with this recipe, actually, you can use it with several other types of fish. Example would be, famous would be tangige. Then you have bangus. And actually, I was supposed to dish out not tuna today, but dilis. But earlier on, we ran out of dilis because we created relleno.
Oh.
So
ito.
yeah, so earlier
Tuna.
our pulutan mas rellenong dilis.
Okay. So ito ngayon ang gagawin nating pulutan is the kilawing tuna.
Yep.
Okay, so ano ang ingredients natin for today?
So, basic ingredients, of course, tuna belly from Aquamaria, around 300 to 400 grams. Pipino or cucumber. Calamansi juice. Ginger. Salt. Pepper. Primary ingredient also is vinegar. Contrary to beliefs, vinegar is only used to wash the fish. It takes out that fishy taste or yung langsa. Then we have to wash it out later on.
Oh, okay.
Sliced green pepper. If you want added spice later on, you can use the red peppers. Then finely chopped red onions and also julienne or sliced red onions too.
Okay, so what's going to be the first step with this recipe?
Okay, so first step of the recipe is quite simple. To transfer the tuna into one big mixing bowl. Okay, so step 2 is actually pour the vinegar into the big bowl. Okay, so in this particular part of the recipe, the only thing that we have to do here is just wash the tuna, just to take out, as mentioned earlier, the fishy taste or the langsa.
Yeah.
Okay, about 8-10 minutes, then afterwards we'll wash them later on.
Okay.
Okay?
So they can use also the vinegar ba na pinakurat or yung may ano na, may spice na, may mga spices na?
Some does use vinegar, those spicy ones. But for the washing stage, I prefer the plain and simple vinegar first.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So, ito talaga yung purpose niya is really to wash it off. So, it's good for 8 minutes. We
Yeah,
will
about
soak
8
it
minutes.
8 minutes. And then, we'll drain it later on.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, there's an added information actually while we're waiting for the vinegar to soak the tuna. It's not just in the Philippines that we have kilawin or kinilaw or whatsoever.
Oh, okay.
Yep, actually in Borneo it's called Havina. No, not Ivana, okay? But shout out, Ivan. And also, based on one of the researches I've done, it might have been part of the Manila Galleon and brought this particular recipe to South America. That's why we have ceviche.
Ceviche,
Yes.
yeah.
So the next time you go to a fancy restaurant and then being offered ceviche, it's just kinilaw. Okay? So, yeah, just wait a few minutes.
Okay. So, 8 minutes has passed. So, ito na ang ating...
Yep, ito na yung washed tuna. As you can see, medyo namuti-muti siya and medyo may mga bubbles. So, next will be for us to actually drain the suka or the vinegar from the tuna. Okay, so see, yuck, it's dirty, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's make pisil-pisil a little bit. It's not too much. Okay, so and then we put it back into our mixing bowl. Yep. The next few steps will be critical to the whole experience. So watch closely.
Okay. So, what's our next ingredient?
Okay, so you season it first, right? So Himalayan salt. Yep, like that. A little bit more.
Okay.
Next will be your ground pepper.
Freshly ground.
Freshly
black
ground.
pepper.
I like pepper, so let me put some more.
This recipe is good for how many persons?
Normally about 3 people, but if it's consider me, just me.
Okay. Maybe just share a little for me.
Okay. Next will be the calamansi juice. This is fresh, not those watered down variants. So about half of this particular container. Just be careful not to overdo it, because you don't want your kilawin to be too sour. I prefer calamansi over vinegar actually, because vinegar is sour, but calamansi is sour at the same time citrusy. Next will be let's put some ginger.
Okay.
Yep, ginger.
You don't like ginger.
Yeah.
It's part of the recipe.
Yeah, but it's essential to
Yeah, it is essential.
the whole recipe.
So you're putting
About
spoon?
about a teaspoon of
Ginger.
grated ginger. You can use a cheese grater if you also have the same
Preference is you.
preference as me. Thank you.
There.
Okay.
So what's our next?
Next is you can put the finely minced
Onion.
onions. Just put everything. Onions always good. Then next will be pipino. Okay. Yeah. Do you know where pipino came from?
No, I don't know why. Where?
I don't know. You tell me.
Okay.
I guess if somebody knows who's watching, please comment down below.
Please give us a comment on where the pipino originated from.
I might give you a slice.
Okay. So what's next?
Next will be the pepper. This is chopped green pepper. So those not really inclined into spicy stuff, don't worry. It's just the pepper used for sinigang.
Just a little kick for it.
Yeah, we'll just adjust the spiciness level later on with the red peppers if you want it with a little bit more kick. I guess that's it. Just have to wait for about another 5-10 minutes. Or if you still have time, I guess, but my brothers, they are drinking, so they'd like to eat this
Yes.
immediately. But you can have it chilled for about 30 minutes. Bango!
Bango!
Mukhang okay na.
Okay na okay.
So, gano'n katagal yun? 8 minutes?
Yeah.
Siyempre, social tong natin, may plating. Saka nakakita ng kilawing tuna na may plating. Dito lang, sa Olive's Kitchen Adventures.
Please don't forget to click like and subscribe to Olive's Kitchen Adventures.
Click lang, click, subscribe.
So anong yan.
Lagyan natin. Pang ilang tao ba? So yan, nagawa tayo ng plating para sa amin.
Okay.
Okay. Dahil nagiinuman kami, siyempre lamang tayo ngayon.
So, ikaw may liempo, ako wala.
Excuse me, hindi liempo tawag dito. It becomes a totally different dish.
Oh,
So,
okay.
if you have kilawin, and then you have some liempo, that's what you call sinuglaw.
Sinuglaw, yes.
Yeah.
So, well, actually, if you would like, you can mix it.
Yep.
So, you can mix it, yung sinuglaw. And if you gusto mong mas maanghang, you can add more siling labuyo.
So for tonight's recipe, we have kilawing tuna belly from Aquamaria. You also have your sinuglaw from Aquamaria too. Perfect match talaga sa beer. Baka may gusto mag-sponsor. Wala naman to.
Sarap. Gerbeth, thank you so much for sharing with us your ceviche recipe, the tuna kinilaw, and also the tuna sinuglaw.
Yun ang main difference. Pag ceviche, may plating.
Yes. Thank you so much. And everyone, thank you for joining us today. And please don't forget to click like and subscribe, Olive's Kitchen Adventures. And please follow us in our Instagram account and Facebook account, Olive's Kitchen Adventures. For your seafood needs, please order via www.aquamaria.store. Thank you, Gerbeth.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.